A reliable power supply is based on the correct operation of all the parts of the electrical system. Commissioning and maintenance technicians ensure the proper functioning of power plants and substations by testing their components. Omicron entered the power industry in 1990. With advanced three-phase protection test sets, Omicron quickly became the world leader in this field, continuously setting new standards by introducing new technology. Digital signal generation, powerful electronics to provide accurate output, advanced measurement functions, and ergonomic user interfaces with advanced reporting made these protection test sets accurate, powerful, easy to use, and lightweight. The same technological basis is used in the CPC 100, a powerful multifunctional primary test set for substation commissioning and maintenance. It can generate up to 800 amps AC and up to 2000 volts AC at frequencies ranging from 15 to 400 Hz and up to 400 amps DC. The 800 amp high current output is mainly intended for testing current transformers. The CPC also verifies the CT's polarity by comparing the phase angles of primary and secondary current. Its high voltage output generates up to 2000 volts and is used to record a CT's magnetization curve, test a VT, or perform transformer ratio measurements. The 400 amps DC output allows low resistance values such as contact resistance to be measured accurately. Small signal outputs are used for injection into secondary circuits, for instance, when measuring the burden or verifying the polarity. Using power electronics instead of copper and iron variacs allows combining all of these functions into a device that can be carried by one person. Generating reactive power internally, the CPC can provide all its output values when supplied by a standard wall socket. The supply voltage has no influence on amplitude, frequency, or waveform of the output signals due to digital signal generation. Mains frequency interference can be avoided by using variable frequency test signals and frequency selective measurement. All outputs are protected against short circuits, open circuits, overloads, and overtemperature. Galvanic isolation of all outputs and inputs prevents unintended ground loops. Measuring input and output values in amplitude and phase allows one to determine resistance, reactance, impedance, power values, and electrical parameters such as ratio, polarity, or burden. Separate cooling channels make the device usable in wet or sandy conditions. The CPC can either be operated manually or by using its built-in testing know-how, either directly from the front panel or by remote control from a laptop. The built-in multi-language user interface allows selection of the test mode, entry of the voltage or current value, and control of the measurement. An integrated manual located in the top cover supports users with setting instructions and wiring diagrams. Flashing lights on the front panel clearly indicate the injection of voltage or current. An emergency off button immediately stops all injection and discharges the energy stored in the test object, such as a transformer winding. The CPC can also be locked to prevent unintended activation. All settings and results can be stored on an integrated flash memory card or an external USB stick. One click generates a comprehensive report. The language used in the report can be changed at any time. To customize the report or integrate logos, The results can be imported into MS Excel or Word. Tests can also be prepared and executed from a PC or laptop with the primary test manager software. The CPC's range of applications can be further expanded with a set of accessories that continues to evolve. For transformer testing, the CP-TD1 supplies up to 12 kV for taking precise measurements of the tangent delta, power factor, and capacitance. The CPC-U1 allows one to safely connect the CPC to power lines or cables, for instance, to determine line impedance and K-factor, or to measure the impedance of station grounding systems. A number of further accessories allows the CPC to be used for diagnosing rotating machines, gas-insulated switchgear, insulation fluids, and more. The CPC can also test non-conventional sensors and merging units in stations using sampled values according to IEC 61850. Omicron provides competent customer support from offices all over the world and a large network of representatives. 24/7 technical support helps customers to solve technical problems and ensures fast repairs and short downtimes. Omicron specialists support customers when analyzing measurement results. Specific training programs help to optimize the use of Omicron equipment. Omicron's conferences and symposiums provide platforms for networking. When it comes to testing major grid components, contractors, commissioning companies, service providers, utilities, and manufacturers worldwide rely on Omicron and the CPC 100.